Alright, let's I'll dechrau a gwylio PlayStation State to Play. I dim ond like 40 eiliad tu ôl. Ooh, firework, beth ydi hwnna?
Hey, to see it. Oh my god, we won.
Traitorous City.
Do you like it when Star City Cymraeg? Oh, nah, do now. Oh my god, we've been on that.
Oh, jukebox.
Wasn't the plan. It was a spontaneous, creative decision made after years of careful research.
Bob yn Space Game dwi'n gweld wan. It's neb ddim perswadu fi na failed pitch Star Wars game dio.
How much longer for the appointment? 2 more minutes.
Cos ta 5 mlynedd yn ôl, Disney need open call i developers i pitch a game. A wedyn, all of a sudden, a lot of games sci-fi dod allan.
Yeah.
We'll stick to the plan. We can do this. And then that. That
Yeah,
was
maen nhw
not
gyd
the
kind of
plan.
like
Technically, it
cues
was a plan. It just wasn't the same
or
plan
Star
that we
Wars.
started with.
And
We don't leave with this blue button.
Tamar. We will. We will.
I'll be waiting outside.
No one moves.
We'll be
Oh,
taking
na,
this
mae'n
off
hold
your
up.
hands.
Uh-oh.
What? This? Funny.
hwn fatha Star Wars Han Solo.
Yeah. I don't know, hot sauce comic relief. Yeah.
Oh, hyn di'r thing newydd ond Space Westerns, yeah.
Space West.
Yeah, as the Mandalorian, everything's a Space Western.
Slowed them down a little for you. Meet at the rendezvous point.
Yeah.
What? Where's the rendezvous? I didn't catch that.
Copy that, Bill.
Os ydyn nhw'n chwyn.
Well played.
Fine. I only got one of my legs.
How are those hands?
So nhw'n cael, like, pwerus gwahanol te?
Well hwn ddim yn arena-based shooter, yeah. Dwi'n newid o dros Overwatch 2 o fod yn shit. I can't survive another.
Got it.
One off. This is you.
Nhw just beep up beth oedd y little beamo thing yn dod.
No.
I am developing a taste for destruction.
Ah, robots efo personality.
Goodbye.
Yes. Dyna ddim yn annoying a overused o gwbl.
Hwna beth ni'n hoffi.
Dwi'n cysau, beth yw'n yr un sy'n Borderlands?
Borderlands, Claptrap.
Dwi'n cysau bob un, dwi'n cysau lo, bod o'n Claptrap, efo special place in hell, yw e.
We're bringing this back with us.
Hyd mewn ti'n gysau a lovable robot.
What are you doing?
O, cysau da. Nes i literally chwarae Borderlands 2 ar mute.
Perhaps we should have let go also.
One off. Do not dare.
Well, we were supposed to stick together.
If you
And
let
him
go,
would
I
never leave me.
swear I will bring
Oh,
vengeance.
look, there they are. Hi. What the?
It's a space western
Glad you
comedy.
avoided a dishonor.
Cofio Beyond Evil, Beyond Good and Evil 2. Dath yn y trailer, oedd yn cael fans i neud free assets i
I
nhw.
knew this was gonna work.
This wasn't the plan.
No, it just wasn't the one we started with. All right. Another satisfying.
Mae fe'n edrych
Goods
odd.
delivered.
Mae'n
Save
a
the
person
when they're
gwyrdd.
cut.
Mae'n
Yn
edrych uncanny.
Canny Valley, oes.
Mae'n edrych
For emergency
pre-human.
bland situations or whatever.
Mae'n edrych weird.
Mae'n edrych yn fath o mae rhywun yn specifically search amdan yn incognito mod yn Chrome browser.
Our next job is somewhere with less
We'll
scaffolding.
have no scaffolding, zero
Beth
scaffolding.
di'r game? Cos mae hwn yn fod yn really hir rhan. Hanner awr yn troi yma.
So long. I thought I'd never feel your fiery embrace again.
You sound ridiculous.
Un o animes gorau fi ydi Cowboy Bebop. So dwi... So dwi licio... Be di Concord? Be di o?
A warin.
Concord is a 5v5 first-person shooter set in the vibrant...
No! No!
I don't read. No!
In Concord,
missed shot.
from the moment you log on, you're part of the crew.
No!
a group of guns for hire known in our galaxy
God
as free
damn it.
gunners. Free gunners are those lucky enough to
when
be
edge
free
of
to
hero
fly
shooter
stars.
overpowers.
They
Nah.
take high-stake jobs in worlds across wild space, where they face other fiercely competitive free gunner crews. Here's the very first look at the gameplay of Concord.
Then they show
Free
blooming
gunning.
hero shooter.
It's hard work,
Nice.
but it's our work, and we don't take it for granted. Being a free gunner means, well, you're free.
Right on target. Yeah, you better run.
Free gunners have a shot at making something of themselves.
Remember,
A
that's a
chance to
cool
be
story-based
someone.
game they do a bit of fun.
Wyt ti'n gorfod y pobl yma I gyd? A nac is in, wyt ti'n gorfod y 5 person, y tîm yn comprised o'r gang? Ta di o'n... Ta gyda 5 o hein?
And in the wilds, it's anyone's game. You won't survive on your
Os
own.
di hwn ddim yn free to play, fydd hwn yn struggle ddim o.
Yeah.
Dwi'n meddwl allan ni'n charge am hero shooters fan. Enwedig yn amlwg lle mae business model hwn yn mynd. Allan ni'n charge am y game mwy.
No, but yeah.
We
Yeah.
risk our
But
lives
if we
every
have a hero
day
shooter
to
all out
do
with
the
team
job.
like
I'll clear
even
the
like
way.
top priests.
Time to show them the big guns.
Oh, with Overwatch, we've been pretty Overwatch a lot.
Overwatch 1, yeah.
And now mine.
Mae 2 free to play,
This crew
yeah.
will go anywhere.
Ond dwi'n meddwl, cos o'n i efo 1, o'n i'n unlockio cymeriadau 1 I gyd yn stret.
Yeah.
One o beth fel la.
Any enemy.
Well, I heb gweld yn y beth really sy'n edrych newydd
Na.
i'r like
We're
hero
the free
shooter
gunner
kind of
crew of
formula.
the North Star. And together,
Ie, hollol.
we're going
Hwn
to
sy'n
make
edrych
our
na
mark
Overwatch
in this
drwy'r
galaxy.
pop.
Yn y McCree, yn yr un...
O'r hogan chip yna.
Gael y gyd na cofio cymeriadau na Overwatch.
The crew is gathering. Would you like to join us for game night?
With Concord, we lean on the strengths and background of our team to make a tight, well-balanced FPS that feels great to play. We focused a ton of our attention and our tech on building a strong gameplay foundation of tight core movement, precise visceral shooting, and expressive abilities.
And insane
finding ourselves influenced a lot by
auto-aim because you're all
in
controllers.
the way that the asymmetry of their characters makes every fight, every matchup feel really different.
Leaning into the asymmetry of the characters, really pushing the possibility space of 2 different characters colliding.
You'll see
It's all
Cyberpunk
about creating opportunities for improvisation. That's where we can get out
Star
of the way
Citizen.
and let players find their own.
Oh,
We also have abilities that are meant to have impact beyond direct combat. Deployable gear that can persist throughout a full game, so whether that's multiple rounds of a mode.
sy'n
or
nath y
multiple
gêm
bits
dod I
across
bodoli,
the
ie.
There are healing pads,
Oh, ti'n
full
clywed
blocky
hwnna?
domes,
Deployable
traps,
gear sy'n
flame
persist
blocking
rhwng
walls,
rooms.
all kinds of ways to support your team or disrupt
Dyna'r
enemies. Coordinated teams
unique
can set
selling
up and
point
plan
of the
ahead,
game,
and
too.
depending on where and when it happens, players can shift the battlefield to their advantage.
Wow.
We've got everything from mystics and medics to gunslingers and sparked robots. Every character brings their own unique
Free agents,
personality,
default
skills,
squad.
and wide-ranging perspectives to the crew. Every week, when you log into Concord, you will be welcomed with a new cinematic vignette that will give you a chance to see our characters
Pam.
Hell
on the
yeah.
job. They will feature ongoing narrative arcs that grow the characters' stories and relationships and unpack the broader Concord galaxy.
Why are you kissing a tchotchke?
We're excited to share
Pam.
that we'll be hosting a pre-launch beta
Our
in
hero
July,
shooters
followed by
angen
Concord's global launch on August 23rd, 2024.
Cool.
angen stori.
Yn bus, dwi'n nhw free to play. Os nhw ddim yn free to play, de.
Yeah. Pre-order.
Na. Pwy sy'n prynu hero shooter? Bydd yr un nath Gearbox wneud? Gearbox Studios. Yr un nath Battlebot.
Na,
Ti'n
un
gwbod
o'r fi'n
Battlebot?
chwarae... Hyena,
Gwbod-
roedd fi'n mewn y beta am Hyena. Hyenas. Roedd hwnna'n eitha hwyl. Roedd hwnna'n hero shooter, ond roedd fi'n 0G. Hero shooter, roedd ti'n mynd mewn i ships. Ac roedd ti'n battle like 3 neu 4 tîm i bwyta'r ship. Ond roedd i cancel hwnna. Roedd fi'n really joio Hyena.
Battle Bond, dwi'n cofio.
Battle Bond.
Battle Bond.
Oh, Battle Bond.
Yeah, come on.
War is coming. The prophecies say Fimbulwinter leads to Ragnarok.
Unlocked frame rate, yay.
Oh, hell yeah. Wait, anything just Ragnarok?
I PC, dwi'n meddwl, ie.
Oh.
Dwi'n mynd chwarae ar Eileen.
Na fi, dwi
So.
hanner ffordd trwy'r un cyntaf.
Iawn, dio.
Yeah, rwy'n really joio'r un cyntaf.
Odin's got tricks up his sleeve.
So, mae'n impressive, ond... Oh, super ultra support!
Oh, yeah!
Dwi'n rhoi...
Fate only binds you if you let it.
Like, dwi ddim dwi ddim digon da am fel Dark Souls neu rhywbeth.
O, dwi'n joio Dark Souls.
Rwy'n chwarae hyn.
Mae'n o'n impressive sy'n sbio yna fo a sy'n fo cwffio fath ond dwi'n dal yn meddwl fod yn overrated. Na, dwi'n no way yn pre-purchase support y PS5 game.
Go on.
Dwi'n... Looks Japanese.
Soldiers and officials alike.
Oh, pissed idea.
Oppress the people for personal gain.
Bydd
And the people must turn to thievery for food.
Un sy'n fath o 40 games y PS2.
Perhaps this is
Dynasty Warriors,
Heaven's
mae'n
way
siŵr,
of
ie?
lamenting the
Oh,
state
ydy,
of
ie?
the land.
Mae'n dach na Dynasty
Men are
Warriors.
powerless at the feet of the divine.
Roedd dwi'n arall
But
dwi'n
even
chwarae.
so, someone must act.
Right, for ddim.
Impressive amount of pobl ar y sgrin.
Ie, Taylor yma, ie. Looks like a... Mae'n dach na Dynasty Warriors. Ond yn canolbwyntio ar y cymeriad yma, do. No, nee. I can see a Dynasty Warriors far away. Infold. Yeah, Infold.
I think I was dreaming. It wasn't a dream.
What's this? When can I download this?
We were really transported to Mirrorland.
Mirrorland?
The path of a stylist is never easy.
Path of a stylist?
Are you ready for it? We're ready. Ready.
Oh my god, I'm playing this. Konnichiwa! Emrys des. Gotmas. Kawaii! Ooh! Ooh! Dwi wedi bod yn Akihabara, dwi'n cael yn hynna. Ydy'r gem yma.
I'm sure. Rwy'n dweud path of a stylist isn't easy. Ond rwy'n siŵr beth o hyn yn cael ei wneud efo bod yn stylist.
Mae'n lot hyn edrych ar maps Final Fantasy XIV, just saying.
Infinity Nicky.
Is it you who pursues infinity? Or is infinity awaiting you?
Yes. Dwi'n licio pan mae anime... Dwi'n licio pan mae animes ddim yn serious yn mynd serious.
Yeah.
Hilarious.
I have seen the miracles you so claim. Until the towering shadows vanished into the mist.
I pray for their grace, but all that came were inferior shades.
What? I prayed for their grace, but all that came were inferior shades. Beth ydy hynny'n golygu?
War. Mortality. These essences shall not fall into your treacherous hands.
Wayward emissaries, grant us the forgotten miracles.
More identical Elden Scrolls. More on rip off Elden Scrolls. Or am vibe, lle.
Yeah. Elder Scrolls.
Ah, Elden Ring.
Elden Ring, right? Yeah.
Remember.
Actually, they're cool.
Remember the 5th of November.
We did not betray this world.
Ballad of Anatara. Okay.
Cool.
Dwi dal ddim efo PS5.
Na?
Dal ddim wedi cael cysgu mi gael un. That's it. Fyna legit, o'n i yn y pobl yn clwb dan o'n cychwyn, a dyn y blwyddyn gyntaf na, nath yn byd, dwi'n massive Gran Turismo fan, o 7 yn me, a o Demon's Souls remake na, ond mae gynna fi Demon's Souls 1, gynna fi Demon's Souls y PS3.
Yeah. Yeah, reviewing PG.
There is no hope here.
Really can't even carry your PS2 and stuff.
Thirst for death.
Ond hoffi chwarae like WWE games efo brawd.
Yeah. Dwi'n licio cael reswm i brynu fo. Dwi'n licio sy'n gêm o dda. Oh my god, dwi'n gorau chwarae hwn.
Yeah.
The poison in my veins begs me to kill.
Hyn VR game.
Ynddi. PS VR 2. So sy'n neb yn mynd i chwarae hwn yn llynagos. Be ddech chi'n Skyrim?
Yeah.
A dim a special edition.
But heroes don't survive the Forsaken Lands.
Oh my god. I just like...
Only monsters do.
Yes, neb yn mynd i chwarae hwn. Let's be honest.
Skydance with Behemoth. What about like bow and arrows, man, like VR? Does dim resistance? Gwbl.
Yeah, good point.
Dwi'n gweld like rhywbeth really cool to gallu cael like peth hyn efo like slippy floor a ti'n like strapped mewn ie, so ti'n like gallu cerfyd in game. Oh, beth di hyn? Alien?
Aliens, ddim siwr e.
Oh god, bydd Alien absolutely horrible mewn VR.
Ma llall yn di, Aliens, bydd Aliens horror game nas allan yn barod.
Isolation?
Hwna'n VR yn di?
And yeah, bydd hwn yn awful mewn VR, like scary as hell.
I don't do horror games.
Mae awful remember bydd hyn actually really da mewn.
Oh, dim Alien Marine's awful, lle.
Nah. Mae awful remember terrifying.
Hi everyone, I'm Sean Benson. I'm back on State of Play to introduce more exciting titles coming to PlayStation, starting with a highly anticipated PvP shooter, playable soon on PS5.
Pan ti'n mysbio camera?
Teleprompter. PvP shooter, Marvel.
Pobl dal licio Marvel.
Rwy heb really gwylio'r
Netflix, oh my god. Oh my god. Gacha game. Gacha game. Gacha game. Os mae Netties yn well.
Please converge here. Destiny awaits. Stronger together.
Third person Overwatch.
What's an upscaled mobile game? Overwatch 2 eto, ie?
Wait, yeah. Probably third person Overwatch, yeah.
Di pobl di sbio Overwatch... Di pobl di sbio Overwatch 2 yn mynd, yeah, I want a piece of that. Cos, dim hynny ti di sbio Overwatch 2, atho rwy'n yn... Ti'n gwybod falle pob faint o'n i'n lyfio Overwatch 2 yn blwyddyn gyntaf na. A wedyn to shit, wedyn.
Yeah. Like, review chwarae Overwatch, loads o fideo yn dod allan. Ond ddim really... Review chwarae Overwatch 2, tipyn bach efo.
Ie.
Marvel Rivals.
Yay! Turn Galactus on his January lady.
Yes! Yes!
That's the NetEase I know.
That's it.
That's the NetEase I know.
Pre-order right now.
Stop your charge, hero shooters. Gewoon ieder die wat een Elden Ring nee begin.
Just Souls-like
Yeah, Souls-like in Overwatch 2.
Yeah.
Waarin die Souls-like YnChwarae erin kent je bunkin hè. Gewoon echt awesome. Ging gewoon Sekiro en do, para hon.
Sekiro?
Ja, Sekiro doen hè.
Rybeth wedi chwarae hwnna.
Give me controversial opinion. One of the weakest From Software Souls-like.
Oh yeah?
You know. Fatha self-proclaimed weird, dyle fi licio fo.
Like, there's dim lot o'r Souls-like games rwy'n really hoffi. Like, when hoffi God of War.
Os ti ddim yn licio...
Like,
os ti'n licio Souls gynta, some point.
Yeah. Like, rwy ddim yn... Like, rwy'n gwybod pobl yn hoffi oherwydd mae'n challenging, like, dysgu. Dysgu, like, a bunch of stuff that, like, grind of it, like, you know, just put yn really da there. Like, rwy ddim yn becso am hwnna.
Yeah, na dwi'n licio nhw. Ond dwi'n meddwl, dwi ddim yn rhywbeth ti'n gallu dysgu licio. Ti'n gwybod o fewn yr awr gynta os ti fewn efo neu ddim.
Like, os mae'n re-galed, rwy'n just troi that. It's like that. Like, hyd yn oed God of War, right way for rwy'n just newid ei story.
Yeah.
I'm like, rwy'n meddwl bod yn ast. He just, you know...
Pissed ar hwn. Yr un ti'n sgynnu choices.
Yeah, un boss.
So looking at stream o hwn efo chdi a Morgan rwy'n dal. Dim yr un yma, ond yr hen gym gynta.
Beth ydi hyn?
Dark Pictures.
Oh, no, yr un sy'n gwneud like a couple of gemau mewn yr un universe.
Yeah.
I don't want to make hasty decisions that get everyone killed.
Wolf Among Us, like un?
Nah, Wolf Among Us ond Telltale game. Dark Pictures Anthology, dwi eisiau dem.
Yeah.
So hwnna dwi eisiau.
Oh, Until Dawn.
Yeah.
Wait, remember that Until Dawn already?
Oes.
What? Until Dawn?
Yna, Man of Medan, Little Hope, House of Ashes, Devil in Me.
I thought Until Dawn, right? Remember if on... Yeah, 2015.
Until Dawn.
Until Dawn is a 2015 interactive drama horror game published by Sony.
But each
day
nice. Further into madness.
1500 remake?
Plague besiege us.
What's that?
I remember 2015.
Mae'n un arall, fe dwi'n cofio. I'd watch a streamer yn chwarae fo.
Oh yeah. Oh, in January 2024, during a State of Play live stream, Sony announced a remake of Until Dawn that was rebuilt in Unreal Engine 5.
Diablo 4, dwi.
If you're pointing an I'll create game or like if you're meant
to
create wrong day.
I must be the one to face this nightmare.
Ydy'n lleis wedyn ta, dwi'n cofio bydd yn lleis. Mae'n rhi eri, ti fyd oes?
Yeah. I'm sure Until Dawn will
do it alone.
Couch co-op!
Hey.
A gofyn ni Covid ddech eto. Oes go.
I'm sure, like, Game of Fall Hint just them really gonna made it.
Oh, Path of Exile though. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Early access. Path of Exile. Are you sure?
But yeah, I even doing on game here, do you?
No. Be the deal about fucking bleak settings, my kid.
I'm sorry. I was just...
It's okay. I didn't mean to scare you.
Silent Hill.
I'm kind of lost.
Yeah.
I'm looking for Silent Hill.
Hey,
you
I know
should
my
stay away.
classic games.
This town, there's something wrong with it?
Yn y game scary dwi wedi chwarae joio. Silent Hill 1.
Dangerous?
Yeah, rwy'n cofio
Maybe.
chwarae yr un cyntaf ar PS1.
I'm not
I
lying.
went ysgol bes, like ysgol kindergarten cop. Hwna'n weird.
I'm going.
Yeah.
Be ti'n game?
Na, ffilm. Ti'n ffilm efo
Oh.
Arnold Schwarzenegger yn teacher.
Oh, die hing. Okay.
Nath ni weld, ie, o'n i'n cofio, ydych chi'n licio Resident Evil 2 remake yndach, so da ni'n un peth o Silent Hill.
Tell him I'll be good, please.
Rwy'n cofio y tro cyntaf o'n i'n chwarae ys Silent Hill radio. Roedd drawd tŷ fy ffrind, ar efen byw ar farmhouse.
Oh, Silent Hill 2?
Sort of oh, Silent Hill 2, okay.
What?
Beth am ni'n cyntaf?
A mae'n sy'n galw fo'n Silent Hill 2?
Yeah, hwnna'n a new thing, yeah, remakes, and just like, kind of...
Capcom announced this
Yr
next
un bloody
game
enw.
last December, offering just a glimpse of what's in store for
Gonna
the
be-
celebrated
Y
franchise.
tro cyntaf o'n i'n chwarae
Today, I
Rwy'n
am
like
so
mewn y
excited to
basement
share the
o'r
first
tŷ
full gameplay trailer
A
for
rwy'n cael
Monster
like
Hunter
little
Wilds.
CRT TV mewn canol o massive stafell yn un light bulb. So if pob cornel o stafell yn like hollol dywyll a roedd yn like really creepy.
Well,
As soon as we find
well,
a good spot, we can get
this is
things
my
set up
game,
and ready to go.
Monster Hunter.
And then we can get
Oh, yeah.
started.
You should have shitloads of Monster Hunter World.
Yeah.
I hope we find them soon.
Sorry to call Monster
Apparently,
Hunter.
like mae'n ar ei fod cwpl o Monster Hunters yn y cas.
Oedd y Monster Hunters cynnar yn massive yn Japan. Cos o'n dod allan ar y PSP. Dwi'n cofio fi, nes i gael un ar y Monster Hunter 3 ar y Wii.
I've never heard of a Karatnoth herd this
Enjoy
big before. One of them's got big spikes
Hwn,
on its
y
back.
game series yma yn massive yn Japan. Ers y ddati gawda.
Yeah.
Os di hwn yn PS5 only, mae hwn yn borderline neu fi prynu PS5 da.
Now to lead it away from the pack, we'll make for the desert.
Ti'n wedi chwarae Monster Hunter?
Na, rhydd.
Ti ddim joio'r un o'r Switch gymaint?
Na.
Nath o'n cael ei ail ryddhau ar PC yn un. Ond Monster Hunter World, da.
Dwi'n meddwl wedi cael un o'r rhif ar PlayStation.
Worlds, ni fel.
Yn y Worlds.
Now commencing the hunt by order of the guild.
Yeah, I'm really confused. Efo'r un Silent Hill. Pam wedi ail creu Silent Hill 2?
Da i ddyn un. Hwna ddyn un poblogaidd, ie. Trwy, ie.
Hey, 2?
Ie.
Chwarae mi doi.
Os o'n wedi ddangos, o'n nhw'n mynd i'n remake o Resident Evil 0 a Resident Evil Code Veronica, yn apparently ddim.
Mwy ddim?
Na, 1000% hwn fydd y thing ola. Yn nhw'n dangos.
selected you as a
Dwi'n eisiau lladd monsters fel la. Dwi'n eisiau lladd dinosaurs a shit.
Maybe if I do story Monster Hunter today. Like, it's just monsters and a bee eating.
Ie. Mae'r byd yn byd bach yn primitive a ti'n gyda just huntio nhw i cael supplies a felly.
Oh yeah, just PS5 man.
Dwi'n meddwl fod o'r PC hefyd. Dwi'n reid siŵr fod o.
Monster Hunter 1.
Oh, save data bonus. Oh my god.
Save data bonus.
Ie. So as new worlds ar beth yna chdi cael.
Ah.
Oh, mae'n rhywbeth ar ôl o. What?
Subi. Subi.
Oh, Asbo. Asbo? Ie.
Oh.
Hwn ar ôl Monster Hunter Wilds. What?
Wait, beth oedd yn Monster Hunter Wilds neu Monster Hunter?
Yeah. Monster Hunter Wilds hwnna.
Mae'na Steam.
Ynddi.
Mae'na Xbox though.
Eich bod o ddim stay, cos lot o games mo Japanese yn mynd ar Xbox.
Mae'n dweud Xbox.
O, lle fod o. Morgan yn lyfio hwn ar PS5 da.
A rhaid fi'n joio'r un oedd yn dod ar PS5. Rhaid fi'n lot o hwyl, just am like tech demo am y PS5. Rhaid fi'n gwych.
Dwi angen PS5 yn gwndo. O, beth sy'n eich chwarae o'n fe, ie?
Be?
Dwi wastad yn meddwl, dda fi jyst prynu PS5. Ond, os dwi'n mynd prynu just PS5 na, so dwi eisiau PlayStation account. Which dwi eisiau betalu dan ys blynyddoedd. Ond dwi'n licio syniad cael PS5 ddo.
Ie. Rhaid mae PS5 yn gwerthu just am yr Astro Bot game. Ydy hyn actual game llawn te am Astro Bot. Oh, Prapper the Rapper!
Ti'n rili eisiau neud PS5 chdi stuck yn sand sy'n edrych chwarae os canrifoedd. Ti'n rili eisiau neud
Rwy'n definitely prynu hyn. Can't be done.
Bidio, ie?
Be?
Bidio'r gem, ie.
Dwi'n
Ydy'n full-blown platformer.
edrych o.
Pech fel yndi. O, the llall gym na gyd.
Ie, rwy'n fi'n art yn edrych o.
Ond nhw'n text ddim oedd o.
Ie, ond rwy'n fi'n eitha hir. Like, rwy'n cymryd cwbl o oriau. Cwbl high.
Astro Bot, o fwy.
Rwy'n fi'n 100% o hefyd.
Wel.
A pob trophy yn dweud.
Astro Bot. Dim Astro Bot yn o'r llall?
Na, beth yw'n... Oh. Astro rhywbeth.
Be sure to visit PlayStation blog for more on the games you just saw, as well as PlayStation.com for the latest on Days of Play. This global celebration runs through June 12th, with deals on PlayStation Store.
O, E3, di ond, os am E3 wan agos.
O, rip.
So, pan mae'r Xbox?
Astro's Playroom. Hwna oedd un default, y games dod efo'r PS5. O, dyma ni. State of Play.
Me. Me.
Me. Just hero shooters.
Oedd hana gynta na'n...
Ie.
Dwi'n gwybod be all.
Ie.
I ddeud, really.
Gormod o hero shooters ar mewn. Gormod o hero shooters.
Gormod o fatha Souls-like hefyd, ie.
Ie.
Mae'n nesa ta, pa ma... Game release.
Yeah, I don't like really care am Souls-like games. Like, a rai rwy'n hoffi yw'r... obviously, God of War. Rwy'n hoffi hwnna. Hwnna'n Souls-light, I guess. ac Jedi games. Doing the Souls Light games that were in.
O, oce, so ma'r... Dwi'n ei ffeindio y Summer Games Fest schedule. So hwn sy'n cymryd lle E3 mewn ffordd e.
Ie.
Jeff Keighley. So, mae edrych na hwn sy'n kickstartio fo. O na, sy'n nesaf hwn fyd. Future of Play. Ydy Future Play direct? Be di hwnna?
And a couple of comments ar State of Play yn dweud, I want a new Infamous game. Please remake Infamous 1 and 2.
Mae'n edrych bod pobl trwy fairs o Instagram, can we have Skate 4, please?
Yeah. Mae Skate 4 yn dod allan. Mae'n un development nawr. Wedi bod yn, like, rhoi allan couple o like, game dev, like, videos o fe. Sy'n edrych eitha dda. Like, mae'n edrych promising.
Weekend nesa mae stwff Xbox Game Showcase June 9th.
Yeah.
PC Gaming Show at June 9th. Ubisoft 10th.
Nice.
Fel na fo, hwnna dda.
Yeah, dyna fe. O ie, os unrhyw yn fel gwylio, roi lawr yn y comments beth ti'n meddwl am y game oedd mewn y State of Play. Pa rai ti'n excited am?
Unforgettable, ie.
Roi Sam. Be?
Bach yn unforgettable, oedd.
Ie.
Mae bod dim yn cael ei licio neu i ddangos cynt unrhyw, ynddi?